the story of Sarah and the village blacksmith. In the quaint village of Elmwood, nestled between lush green hills and a sparkling river, lived a blacksmith named Henry. Henry was known far and wide for his exceptional skills in crafting tools, horseshoes, and other metalworks. He had been the village blacksmith for decades, and his work was highly regarded by everyone in Elmwood. Henry took great pride in his work, but over the years his pride turned into arrogance. He began to believe that no one else could match his skills or replace him. He often reminded the villagers of how indispensable he was, saying, "Without me, this village would fall apart. No one can do what I do." One summer, a young woman named Sarah moved to Elmwood. Sarah was a skilled blacksmith who had trained under some of the best craftsmen in the neighboring towns. She set up a small forge on the edge of the village and began offering her services. At first, the villagers were skeptical, as they had always relied on Henry for their blacksmithing needs. Henry scoffed at the idea of another blacksmith in Elmwood. "She'll never match my work," he said dismissively. "The villagers will soon realize they can't replace me." However, Sarah's work spoke for itself. Her craftsmanship was meticulous, and she treated each job with care and precision. She was also kind and humble, always willing to help and share her knowledge with others. Slowly, the villagers began to appreciate her skills and started bringing their work to her forge. Henry, seeing his customers dwindle, grew increasingly frustrated and resentful. He couldn't understand how someone else could be as good, if not better, than him. One day, he confronted Sarah at her forge. "You're trying to take my place," Henry said angrily. "But remember, I've been the blacksmith of this village for decades. I'm irreplaceable." Henry was taken aback by her words. He realized that his arrogance had blinded him to the fact that everyone is replaceable and that humility and continuous learning were essential. Over time, Henry began to change his attitude. He approached Sarah and asked if he could learn some of her techniques. Sarah agreed, and together they began to work side by side, sharing their knowledge and skills. The villagers benefited from their combined expertise, and Elmwood prospered as a result. Henry learned to appreciate the value of humility and the importance of collaboration. The moral of this story is, the world's population is over 7.951 billion people. Just in case someone is acting irreplaceable. No one is truly indispensable, and there is always room for growth and learning. Embracing humility and valuing the contributions of others leads to personal improvement and a stronger community. In conclusion, Brokenwood Mystic Farms symbolizes the enduring connection between humanity and the land, a tribute to the beauty of nature and the importance of honoring traditions in a changing world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You won't want to miss our short story adventures. If you have any questions, requests, or just want to say hello, feel free to contact us at info@brokenwoodmysticfarms.com. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and have a fantastic day, my friends.